Okay, there's storm clouds on the way. Right there. And over there. And over there. So it doesn't look too pleasing today. Because there's a storm on the way. And that storm looks like it's going to be here in half an hour less. And I'm pretty sure when I woke up I heard a little bit of thunder. So definite sign of a thunderstorm. Looks like 3 inches might fall. It looks like 3 inches worth of rain are going to wind up falling out of the sky. Yeah, it looks pretty dark outside. Over there it's dark. Over there it's dark. Over there it's dark. I probably already told you. But the thunderstorm's going to bring some heavy precipitation. And it appears we're not going to dodge it.